Before we get into this recipe, let me just start by saying that I don't care how your mother's, uncle's, brother's neighbor has been making their own banga and starch. This is the first time I was making and eating starch, and here's how I made it. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and to my old subscribers, thank you. I'm back with another video and I promise to be consistent going forward. So when I made my fufu from scratch, the starch was at the bottom of the water that I drained, and so I just poured out the water, mixed it with some more water, and then turned it into a pot, added some palm oil, and then I just began stirring and stirring and stirring until it formed into this dough. And then I just wrapped it with some cling film, and then I went on to make my banga. My banga recipe I've posted here already, but I'm just going to attach it anyways. So I just added my palm kernel extract into a pot. I let it cook down, and then I put some blended peppers. I used the yellow peppers, onions, and then some upe because I didn't have the regular one that they use. I've forgotten what it's called. And then I just added my proteins, some meat, some stock fish, some banga spices, some stock, crayfish, all my seasonings. I used some beef, I think some fish, and then some chicken for this recipe. And you guys, this banga, it was a banga. It was really good. And then I didn't have belle tete, so I just used scent leaves, and this is how it turned out. It was really good, and together this meal was good. Like, now I know why people hype banga and starch. This thing was really good. If you see, I didn't even sit down to eat this food. I stood and ate it. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.